Hey garden lovers, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to grow collard greens with minimal effort, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you why growing collard greens in plastic containers is incredibly productive. And get this, you won't even need to water them regularly. Intrigued? Let's dive in. Plastic containers are a game changer for growing collard greens, especially if you're looking for high productivity without constant maintenance. But why do they work so well? First, plastic containers retain moisture far better than other materials like clay or wood. This is key when you're aiming for productive crops. Because plastic doesn't allow water to evaporate quickly, your collard greens have a constant moisture supply, helping them grow healthier and faster. Plastic also keeps the soil temperature more consistent. This is crucial for collard greens, which thrive in moderate temperatures. When their roots aren't stressed by fluctuating heat, the plants can focus on growth rather than survival. Now, let me show you how you can grow these beauties without even worrying about daily watering. It all starts with a simple wicking system. A wicking system allows the roots of your collard greens to absorb water from a reservoir at the bottom of the container. Here's how it works. Step 1. Place a layer of gravel or small rocks at the bottom of your plastic container. This creates a space for excess water to pool. Step 2. Add a piece of fabric or a wick that runs from the gravel layer up into the soil. This material will absorb water from the bottom and bring it up to the roots whenever the plant needs it. And finally, fill your container with good quality soil and plant your collard greens. As long as there's some water at the bottom, your plants will take care of the rest. So how do collard greens manage to thrive without daily watering? It's all about their deep root system. Collard greens have strong, deep roots that can easily reach down into the soil and pull up water stored in the container's reservoir. They're naturally drought tolerant, which means they won't suffer even if the topsoil dries out. The constant access to moisture encourages faster growth and bigger leaves, making your harvest more productive than traditional in-ground gardening. Before we wrap up, here are a few bonus tips to maximize your container-grown collard greens productivity. First, fertilize regularly. Collard greens are heavy feeders, so a balanced fertilizer every 2 weeks will keep them growing strong. Second, place your containers in full sun. Collard greens need at least 6 hours of sunlight daily to thrive. And third, keep an eye on pests. While plastic containers reduce some pest issues, you may still encounter aphids or caterpillars. Use organic pest control methods like neem oil or soap spray. So there you have it. Growing collard greens in plastic containers is not only super productive but also low maintenance. With the wicking system in place, you can forget about constant watering and still enjoy an abundant harvest. Give this method a try and let me know how it works for you in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more gardening tips. Until next time, happy gardening.